Aɨvúmarane yrúpive ehecha opaichagua mba'eguasu rehegua oikóva Paraguay ha tetãmbuérupi.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Bill Wallace, Superfoot Bill Wallace.
Where are you from?
I am from Florida, Daytona Beach, Florida.
Where were you born?
Indiana.
What is your master in?
Oh, my master's degree is kinesiology and physiology of exercise, university.
Where did you study?
Memphis State University and Indiana.
What kind of a sport are you very experienced in?
Karate, judo, wrestling, boxing, and kickboxing.
Sparring or fighting is one thing and teaching is something else.
Yes, it is. I enjoy the sparring aspect of it. I enjoy the fighting aspect of it. But I also enjoy the teaching. I really like to teach.
For those who don't know you, you worked for the movies too. Can you name them?
Well, I did 15 films. I did A Force of One with Chuck Norris, did The Protector with Jackie Chan, then I did some smaller films for experience and a good time.
Elvis Presley. So you had contact with Elvis Presley too?
Yes, I did. I used to work for him. I worked for him for 4 years, from 1974 to 1977 when he died.
Bruce Lee, and you had contact with Bruce Lee too, right?
See, I met Bruce Lee in 1967 in Los Angeles.
You teach a lot, I guess. But you teach a lot. What is the most difficult thing for you?
Sometimes to get my idea across. Trying to get the people to understand exactly what I'm trying to do with the kicking techniques, not just to throw the kick per se, but how to set the kick up, how to create openings with the kicking movements.
For those parents that are watching at you who think that this kind of martial arts will lead their kids to aggressivity, what would you say to them?
I have never been in a street fight in my life. It teaches them confidence. It teaches them respect for each other. So they don't want to go out and get in fights. They don't want to be violent with each other.
Mokoi mokoi pokoi mokoi mbohapy irundy.